Welcome back, guys. We're going to be using some image wash products, Platinum Wash, Auto RV Semi Boat. Now it says on the container, for bucket use, mix 1 to 2 ounces soap per gallon of water. For foam cannon, add soap to canister undiluted and adjust dilution on formal from Pro Tip. Desire and adjust on foam. So basically, see how it foams. I'm gonna mix a couple of them together, which I got bug remover from Image Wash products, and I got 30-day production wax replacement. But we're trying to. Says it dumped the whole thing in there. It just seems. Dump the whole thing in there. Just seems that yeah, I'm probably gonna add some water to that. I don't want to add any other products besides Image Wash products to that. I was gonna put some super clean degreaser in with it, but which I'm pretty sure Image Wash products just makes their own degreaser, so I'm gonna have to see if they can send me some degreaser. Because this tractor 7610 is just all covered in oil. Okay. So I'm gonna hold this here because this is more like a final product, I think. Because I mean, this tractor was covered in oils, grease, manure, corn silage, all types of stuff. So I'm trying to get all that off, and then I'm gonna come back and use Image Wash products for this review. So I'll make a part 2 to this. This is just filling up the foam canyon. I might put some water in with it to dilute it some. I don't know yet because it'll make it go through a thing better, but it sounds like they don't want you to do that on foam cannon. But that's what I've done with other soaps. But as always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Catch you on the next one, which is part 2. See you there.